Back pain, the common causes and when you should see a pain consultant. Well, almost all of us experience back pain at some point in our life. Sometimes it's just a muscle pull that just settles in few days, but sometimes it is a sign of something very serious. And the real question is, when should you ignore it and when should you see a doctor, which includes a pain specialist? Hi, this is Dr. Neil Panchal, a pain management consultant. In today's video, I'll explain you the common causes of back pain, when it's usually harmless, and the warning signs when you should see a doctor immediately. Now, back pain can have many causes. Some are very simple and some are very complex. One of the most common causes is a muscle or a ligament sprain. This often happens when you've lifted some heavy object or you have sat for long hours with poor posture. Another common cause are disc related problems such as slip disc, herniated disc, or the herniated disc can actually press on the nearby nerves, leading to back pain, which can travel down to the leg. This condition is commonly labeled as sciatica. Arthritis of the spine is also another frequent cause of pain. As we age, the joints become degenerated, leading to stiffness and pain. Poor posture and lifestyle habits can also play a big role in back pain. Long hours on laptops, on mobile phones, lack of exercise, weak core muscles can put continuous stress on the spine. In some cases, back pain may also be caused by osteoporosis, injuries, and very rarely by infections or tumors. So, back pain is not just one single problem, it can arise from multiple problems. So, now the good news is most back pain is short term and is usually harmless. If you have ever traveled for long hours, worked at your desk for whole day or slept in an awkward position, you may experience some stiffness or aching in your lower back. This is usually due to some muscle fatigue. With rest, hot or cold compresses, gentle stretching, and basic physiotherapy, this type of pain usually improves within few days to few weeks. However, there are certain situations where the back pain should not be ignored. You may need to consult a pain consultant if your pain lasts for greater than 3 months, or if the pain is going from the back and going right down to your arms or legs, if you experience some tingling, numbness, heaviness along with the pain. Back pain associated with difficulty in controlling bladder or bowel movements is really a surgical emergency and it needs immediate attention. You should seek help if your pain is accompanied by fever, unexplained weight loss, or there's some history of cancer, or if pain continues to disturb your sleep, work, and daily activities despite routine treatment. These are all warning signs suggest that there is a serious problem underlying. So as a pain management consultant, my role is not just prescribing medicines, but to identify the root cause of your pain, treat it with advanced evidence-based methods, which includes MIPSIs. Depending on the conditions, we may include targeted injections, nerve blocks, minimally invasive procedures, and working closely with physiotherapists and lifestyle experts, we provide long-lasting pain relief. To summarize, most back pain is temporary and improves with simple care, but persistent, severe pain should never be ignored. Early consultation with a pain specialist can prevent complications and significantly improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about your back pain, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer in the future videos.